Are you looking to buy a home in the future? In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to purchase a home. Stay tuned. All right, Matt, the mortgage guy, residential mortgage broker, powered by You Mortgage. I want to lay out a really simple step-by-step guide as I continue to ask for questions. There's a lot of people out there that just want to know the basics. What are the steps involved with buying a home? So in this video, I'm going to keep it really simple, really high level, and go through the steps of buying a home. If you want to get started with me and my team, go to greatmortgagebroker.com. We'll help you no matter where you're at. Across the United States, get yourself pre-approved and get rolling. Without further ado, steps on how to purchase a home. First and foremost, and this doesn't require talking to any professionals at all. You can if you'd like, but determining your budget should be number one. Assessing your financial situation, you are going to know this better than anyone else. Somebody else saying, yeah, $2,500 is a good payment. You should spend X out of pocket for a down payment. These are things that ideally you work out. If you're purchasing alone, you go through your budget solo. If you're purchasing with a spouse, you and your spouse go through it and really dig into what do you currently pay in rent? What could you afford for a monthly mortgage payment? How much do you have in savings? What would you be comfortable with parting with for a down payment? How much do you want to leave in there as emergency fund? Things like that. Think about your monthly income, how much you intake. Think about how much you have in savings. Think about other expenses, not only today's expenses, but maybe you've got college and future costs that you're going to allot for. You also want to account for, the things that happen in home ownership. Hot water heater might go out. You might have to repair a roof. These are real things, and they should be thought about before you jump into home ownership. So that's number one, determining your budget. Number two, get pre-approved with a lender. This is vital. This is something that a lot of people, because I understand a mortgage isn't fun. A mortgage isn't necessarily what you wake up and, dream about doing every day. The house is nice. The neighborhood is nice. That stuff is emotional. Mortgage is just something in the way of it. But I'm telling you, you want to get yourself pre-approved first. Not only does it give you peace of mind when you're out there shopping that you can close on a loan. And truth be told, you can't even put in an offer without a pre-approval letter. Most realtors don't want to go out there and start showing you homes. It's a disservice to you until you're pre-approved. But as important as anything, you'll know what price point you should be shopping in based on what you determined for your budget in number one, right? So get yourself pre-approved, talk to a great lender that's going to explain to you, here's what it looks like with 3% down. Here's what it looks like with 5% down. Based on the conversations you have about your budget, here's what we're looking to spend per month. Here's what we're looking to put as a down payment. Here's how much cash we have in savings. That will guide you to then go talk to a realtor about what price point you're going to look in, right? Number three is find a qualified realtor. I don't want to offend anybody here, but your sister's cousin's aunt's best friend who you met at a backyard barbecue might not be the best real estate agent to help you with the largest transaction of most people's lives, right? You're going to want to work with a professional real estate agent who is active, who knows the area you're looking in, who knows how to write an offer that can get accepted, who knows how to negotiate, who knows things about real estate that really only comes from being full-time, actively involved in real estate. I don't want to offend anybody, but if somebody does one real estate transaction per year and it's kind of a hobby or a part-time gig, they're just not going to have the level of knowledge that you need to not only secure the best deal, but also make it a smooth and easy process. So I'll stop there, right? Seek out a qualified real estate agent who can help you. That is number three. So now you've determine your budget. You've got pre-approved for a mortgage. You've connected with a real estate professional. Now is the fun part. Number 4, you start house hunting. You talk to your agent. I talked to Matt and his team. I'm comfortable with what the payment looks like at 500,000. Let's go out there and find something between 400 and 500,000. Here's the neighborhood I like. Here's the amount of bedrooms we need. Here's some of my preferences. I always go by the 80-10-10 rule. 80% of what you're looking for, 10% is things about the house that you can change and upgrade, and then 10% you can learn to live with. If you're looking for the 100% house, it's completely dialed in, it's everything you want, you might end up searching for another decade. So 80-10-10, 80% of your preferences, 10% you can fix and you can upgrade, and then 10% you can learn to live with. So as you're doing that, you're having the agent assist you, showing you properties that fit your criteria. You're also using all of the online real estate platforms. Cool part about real estate in 2023, you've got Redfin and other platforms where you can search online. You can visit open houses. You can schedule property viewings with your agent. Go out there, walk through some stuff, get yourself acquainted with the area you're looking to live in, and then you're gonna write offers, which is number 5. Make an offer. Qualified agent is vitally important because not all offers are created equally. And I'll give you an example. As somebody who's worked closely with thousands of agents now, and so I've seen thousands of offers over the last decade of my mortgage career. There might be 10 offers on a house, but a great agent who I work closely with put it really well. When he's writing an offer, he understands that only 2 out of those 10 offers are going to be written well. He's really only got to beat one other offer. 8 out of the 10 offers, this is wild to think about, but I think it's true, are going to be not well written. That agent has not communicated with the list side to find out what's important to the sellers. Is it price? Is it a rent back? Is it how quick they can close? Is it certain aspects about contingency periods, meaning we're only going to need 10 days for the appraisal contingency. We don't need an inspection period. Things like that matter. Very few agents do the work or know even the work that needs to be done to get that right. So making an offer is 1, an offer you're comfortable with, 2, an offer that has a chance of getting accepted because your agent is a professional who understands the market, who has relationships, who could communicate with the list side, find out the information needed to write a property specific offer that has a good chance of getting accepted, right? Your agent's going to guide you through that negotiation process, help you structure a competitive offer. If there's any, counter offers or anything like that, any addendums that come up, they're going to talk you through that. That's number 5, making your offer. Number 7, closing the deal. At the end of that, we'll call it a 30-day escrow period where the loan's been approved, the appraisals come in, you've done your inspections, you put your insurance in place, you're going to go sign the final closing documents, wire the money to title, that's your down payment plus closing costs, and it's going to record with the county, and you're going to get your keys. Right now, you're done. The deal is closed. You're a homeowner. The only thing left is number 8: move in, settle. Coordinate your move-in date, arrange for your utilities to be transferred, all the other logistics associated with your new home. Settle into your new house and enjoy home ownership. Hopefully this was helpful. Any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Again, greatmortgagebroker.com if you want to connect me and my team. homeandmoney.com/Matt if you want to connect with an agent outside of California. If you're looking for an agent in California, just send us an email, team@mtmg.com. We'll connect you. Thanks for watching.